Model, 20-plate Mercedes-Benz Citan 109 pure CDI with roof rack spares OR repairs ULEZ compliant trade margin grin. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 72,878. Engine, 1,461 CCOM 608.94 bhp 70 kilowatts. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner engine has been stripped some parts. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, 2 keys, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999.